I don't give a fuck! 48 headquarters pursuit, 48 headquarters pursuit, King Henry 8716.
From chocolate milk to tire irons, yes, really, this wild chase had it all. William Wolfe, a man with 19 license suspensions and approximately 28 prior arrests, led officers on a bizarre 4-county pursuit through Ohio.
Eastbound on 224.
All right, we're going to be continuing 22. We're going to be heading down 14. 14 is going to be south. 14 south. Intersection just passed over 12. So continuing south on 14. Continuing south, just past Smith County. It's either 110.
48 headquarters, see if OSB has any units with spike strips. We're going westbound onto West State. Westbound onto West State. He's searching all over around the front. He just threw a chocolate milk at me.
OSP is trying to lay down spike strips.
534.
He just got hit with spike strips and so did I. Take over. I just lost both driver's side tires.
So you have to stop.
I am.
After throwing everything but the kitchen sink at police, Wolfe's run ended with spike strips, a crash into a road sign, and a trip to Stark County Jail. Now facing multiple felonies, his 28th arrest might just be the one that sticks.
I don't give a fuck!
Pass me.
A Kentucky state trooper tried to stop a cafe-style motorcycle, but Ricky Pilkington had other ideas. The Louisville rider hit the throttle and kicked off a pursuit that ended with cuffs instead of curves.
Way down, we're about 60 miles an hour right now. Passing Farm Ag Avenue. Late County may be stopping here. He's signaling that he's slowing down. We're turning left onto, I believe it's the Twin lane. He's taking back off. We're in a 35-mile-an-hour zone. We're on Spencer Mattingly Road. No traffic. Stay stopping it.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get off the bike! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do not move!
Hey, listen, man.
Do not move! Lay on your stomach! Lay on your stomach! You're gonna get tased if you don't get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Do not move!
Hey, I just want to get to my daughter, man.
Don't move! Stop!
Sorry, man. I just want to get to my daughter. It's not over with.
You're lucky you didn't die.
I just want to get to my daughter, man.
How much you had to drink?
None.
I ain't drank nothing.
After finally giving up, Pilkington was arrested and hit with a long list of charges from reckless driving to assaulting an officer. Now booked at the Nelson County Jail with a $20,000 cash bond, his ride is officially over. A Super B Charger blew past a Virginia state trooper who was just trying to enjoy his cigar. So much for a peaceful night. What followed was a full-throttle pursuit straight down Route 286.
Stopping or what? What are you doing? Good pick, good pick, good pick. Oh boy, nope. Babe. 395 into Fairfax. I got a Dodge Charger taking off of me. Southbound 395, passing Glebe. Initial traffic stops at 90 and up 55, and the dark license plate cover. We're southbound, approaching King Street, speeds 120.
What are the traffic conditions?
It's going to be moderate traffic. We're going to be southbound 395, passing exit 5, speeds 122.
Negative spikes.
We're southbound, approaching Backlink. Center lane, speeds 131. I'm right behind him again. Light traffic.
Approaching Backlink.
Oh boy. What are you doing? You pulling over? What are you doing, buddy? Hold on, he's slowing down. He's slowing down. We're stopped. We're dead stopped. Disregard, he just took off again. We're southbound, approaching 286. Speeds accelerating, speeds 70.
PD. And have you got word from the helicopter yet? What's going around you? How far the goes around? FYI, there's a white Toyota RAV4 southbound from the one extreme high speed.
Put your hands up! Put him up! Turn off the car! Open the door! One shot!
Hold on. How y'all want me to do it? How y'all want me to...
Open the door with your right hand.
How you want me to do it?
Open the door with your right hand.
Right hand. I don't want to move, y'all. We're telling you to put your right hand onto the door. Y'all want me to move my foot? I don't want to move wrong, please. I just don't want to move wrong. Passenger, put the car in park. I just don't want to move wrong. I don't want to move wrong.
Okay.
I don't want to move wrong.
Okay, I can see you clearly. Take your right hand and open the door.
Okay.
Take your right hand and open the door.
Okay. I'm opening. About a mile. I'm opening. Y'all put your guns. I'm sorry.
Come on, stand up. Be a man.
I'm a man.
All right. Hold on. I'll get you detained.
I'm not going to do nothing with y'all.
You know what's going on down there? I can't even understand what they're...
When the dust settled, the driver was hit with 5 felonies and 4 citations, all for a sketchy Craigslist car with an altered VIN. That Charger might have had speed, but it didn't come with freedom.
Stay safe.
An aggressive lane change caught the eye of an Oakland CHP officer, and what followed was anything but routine. One reckless driver, a high-speed chase, and a crash that sent him running on foot.
9655 Bellevue.
9655 radio, got traffic westbound 580, approaching 98 Fairdeal.
5528.
9655, I only copy the last 3, we're 352 tonight, the plate.
Driver's black, male, about 220 weight.
I'm sorry, copy BNA driver.
55, we're approaching Keller, speeds of 100, moderate traffic, and I'll have 20 for you again. 5528, vehicle, original one, almost keep feet into you.
10-4, the vehicle must keep feet into you.
55, speeds of 113, and we are just over High Street now, moderate traffic.
That's 3 to 7 now.
55, we are speeds of 100, moderate traffic. and approaching 14.
9655, speeds 100, moderate traffic approaching 14.
Five speeds of 85, moderate traffic approaching the lake shore.
Gonna have a felony stop at 26.
Airport felony stop at 26.
Stop.
The suspect tried to make a run for it, but officers were faster. He was caught and taken into custody, and along with the wrecked car, they also recovered a handgun from inside the vehicle. Clocked at 69 and a 55, the driver of a brown Ford Explorer decided to turn a simple speeding stop into a full-blown chase. When the trooper flipped around, Brad Elliott Bain hit 90 and tried to outrun the law.
Rineyville Road headed towards Roundabout. Rineyville Road and Waterside Drive, speeds 98, no traffic. We're coming up on page right now. Blew the stop sign on Patriot, turn left.
Hold on, detail, contact rack.
Still on Patriot, he's slowing down to 75 now, no traffic. Kentucky 47, King 4 X-ray 223, King 4 X-ray 223, speeds 88, no traffic. We're coming up on Rineyville Big Springs now, speeds 75, light traffic. He's stopping at the red light here on Rineyville Big Springs and Patriot. There's two, we just passed two Vine Grove units on Patriot. I think he thought they were going to try to spike when he almost ran off the road, but we're still on Patriot, approaching 313, speed 78, no traffic.
Like that won't call it. We the stop sign turning left on South Wilson, parallel with 2061 for correction 313. Left turn on the Shelton Road with stop sign. We're coming up to West Vine Street. He swerved at 421 to avoid the pit. Okay, blue the light here. Blue the light at West Trail, continuing straight. Speed 38, light traffic. Speed 52, no traffic. At the 313 side, 67. We're on north now, heading northbound, attempted pit. He's working 421 again. He's crossing the median, oncoming lanes. Taking left turn onto Delmar Drive.
on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm all right, Dad. I'm all right, Dad. Calm down, all right?
The pursuit ended right near his own front door. Talk about bringing trouble home. Bain was arrested and booked into Hardin County Jail, where speeding tickets turn into something much bigger.
You got anything in the car? What are you trying to do, Dad? Cleaning the game. Get back. Go back home. Who are you? It's my dad. Go back home. I don't give a...
Okay, Brian. You ain't got to fucking push me in the car. I ain't either. Bitch ass mother. Brad.
Go home.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.